Hey there, science fans. Have you ever been on a merry-go-round? You know, the kind that spins you around and around. It's a blast, right? But what if it suddenly stopped? You'd probably go flying. Well, that's what it would be like if Earth, our giant merry-go-round, suddenly stopped spinning. Yikes! We're used to Earth spinning. It's how we get our days and nights. But imagine everything coming to a screeching halt. Buildings would crumble, oceans would slosh over continents, and the wind would howl like never before. It would be chaos on a global scale. We don't often think about it, but Earth's spin is a powerful force. It's what keeps us grounded, literally. So, what would happen if this force just disappeared? Let's delve into this mind-boggling scenario and see what science tells us. Buckle up, because it's going to be a wild ride. Now, Earth is spinning pretty darn fast, especially at the equator. We're talking about a speed of roughly 1,000 miles per hour. That's faster than a jet plane. If the Earth were to suddenly stop, everything on its surface would still have that momentum. Think about it like being in a car that slams on its brakes. You'd be thrown forward, right? Well, if Earth braked, we'd all be thrown eastward at over 1,000 miles per hour. Ouch! Talk about a bad case of whiplash. This sudden shift in inertia would cause massive destruction. Buildings would topple, trees would be uprooted, and huge tsunamis would engulf coastlines. It's safe to say that this sudden stop would be catastrophic for life as we know it. Okay, so we've covered the initial chaos, but what about the long-term effects? Well, one of the most significant changes would be to our day and night cycle. Remember, Earth's rotation is what causes day and night. Without rotation, one side of Earth would face the sun for 6 months straight, while the other side would be shrouded in darkness. Can you imagine a 6-month summer? Talk about a bad sunburn. These extreme temperatures would wreak havoc on our climate. The sun-facing side would experience scorching heat, while the side facing away would freeze solid. This wouldn't be gradual. It would be a sudden and dramatic shift, making it nearly impossible for most life forms to adapt. Section 4, the shield goes down, Earth's magnetic field and the threat from space. But wait, there's more. Our planet has a secret weapon that protects us from harmful radiation from the sun, our magnetic field. This field is generated by Earth's rotation. If Earth stopped spinning, guess what? No more magnetic field. This invisible shield protects us from solar wind and cosmic radiation, which are incredibly harmful to life. Without our magnetic field, Earth would be bombarded with harmful radiation from the sun. This radiation could damage our atmosphere, disrupt communications, and even pose serious health risks to humans and animals. Talk about a bad suntan. Section 5. Could we survive the standstill, adapting to an unthinkable reality? So could anything survive this planetary standstill? Well, it wouldn't be easy. The extreme temperatures, lack of day and night cycles, and constant radiation would make survival a monumental challenge for most life forms. Some organisms, like extremophiles that thrive in harsh environments, might stand a chance. They've evolved to survive in extreme conditions, so maybe, just maybe, they could adapt to this new Earth. As for humans, well, we're a resourceful bunch. We might be able to survive by building underground shelters, using artificial light sources, and developing advanced technologies to protect ourselves from radiation. But it wouldn't be a picnic. The good news is, the chances of Earth suddenly stopping its spin are astronomically slim. So, you can sleep soundly tonight, knowing that your planet isn't going to slam on its brakes anytime soon, but it's still fun to think about, right? Keep those questions coming, and keep on exploring the wonders of our amazing universe.